Today, we're talking about something super important and totally achievable: staying fit and healthy right from the comfort of your own home. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to feel strong, energetic, and happy. It's all about building simple, consistent habits that support both your body and your mind. First things first, let's understand that fitness isn't just about intense workouts, it's about movement. Any movement. The foundation of home fitness starts the moment you wake up. Try some light stretching in the morning. It wakes up your muscles, improves flexibility, and gets your body ready for the day. Think of it as a gentle good morning to your joints and limbs. As your day gets going, you can easily incorporate bodyweight exercises. These are your best friends for building strength and endurance without any machines. We're talking about squats, lunges, push-ups, planks, and even fun stuff like jumping jacks. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once and are super versatile. You can modify them to be easier if you're just starting out, or make them more challenging as you get stronger. They are perfect for everyone, no matter your fitness level. Now, let's not forget about our heart. Cardiovascular activity is crucial for a healthy heart, and you can get your heart rate up without even leaving your room. Try jogging in place, skipping rope, dancing to your favorite songs, or even just walking briskly around the house. If you have stairs, use them. A few trips up and down can be a great mini workout. The key here is consistency, not intensity. Even short bursts of activity done regularly will lead to amazing improvements over time. Speaking of consistency, rest and recovery are just as important as the exercise itself. Your muscles don't get stronger during the workout. They get stronger when you rest. This is why getting enough sleep is non-negotiable. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, balances hormones, and recharges your energy. So, make sure you're aiming for a solid, restful night's sleep. Of course, we can't talk about fitness without mentioning nutrition. Think of food as the fuel for your body. Eating balanced meals packed with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein gives you the energy you need to move and recover. And remember, especially for younger people, it's so important to avoid restrictive diets. Fitness should be about feeling good and building confidence, not about stress or comparison. Mental fitness is a huge piece of the puzzle too. Taking time for yourself is vital. Practice some deep breathing, do some gentle stretches, or just find a quiet moment away from screens to relax. This helps reduce stress, improves your focus, and actually boosts your motivation to stay active. To keep that motivation going, set some realistic goals. Maybe your goal is to exercise for 20 minutes a day, or learn a new move, or simply feel more energetic. Goals give you direction without adding pressure. And track your progress by noticing how you feel. Are you sleeping better? Do you have more energy? That's progress. Make your fitness routine fun. Create a playlist of songs that pump you up. Get your family involved and turn it into a group activity. You can even turn chores into a workout. Cleaning, carrying groceries, or organizing your room all burn energy and keep your body moving. Pay attention to your posture throughout the day, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Sitting and standing tall reduces strain on your muscles and joints. Take regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and walk around. And always listen to your body. Rest days are not a sign of weakness. They are a necessary part of getting stronger and preventing injury. Finally, build a positive relationship with exercise. See it as a celebration of what your body can do, a way to feel powerful and energized, not as a punishment. Celebrate your small wins, stay hydrated, and adapt your workouts to how you feel each day. Over time, all these small, daily choices will add up to a stronger, healthier, and happier you. Staying fit at home is about consistency, self-care, and building habits that will support you for life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up,